Om Sri Sai Ram. Hearty welcome to Sri Sathya Sai Loka Seva Gurukulam free online classes. And today we will have mathematics, understanding quadrilateral. Now I want to tell a small joke here. Understanding. Suppose you have stand by I. Stand by I. How do you write it? This can be told as I understand. I understand. Of course, it's a small riddle in English. So, here you are understanding quadrilaterals. What is a quadrilateral? We have already seen it. Just let us recall what we have studied in the previous class. Plane figures like triangles, quadrilaterals, polygons, etc. What is the difference between a figure and a solid? Figures can be drawn on a single plane. It may be a paper, it may be a board, like that, or a book, etc. But solids means they are three-dimensional. These are two-dimensional. They are length and breadth. Or in the case of circle, it is a radius. But solids means they are three-dimensional. They are length, breadth, and height. So these are some of the examples of plane figures. Okay, that we already seen in the last class. And also polygons are classified into two groups. One is called convex polygon. Another is called concave polygon. What is the difference between the two? A convex polygon, all the diagonals will be inside the polygon. In concave polygon, one or two diagonals may be outside the polygon. Okay. And diagonal means what? Diagonal is a line segment joining the opposite vertices. For example, in case of a square, you have how many diagonals? Two diagonals. Is it not? In case of pentagon, you have three diagonals. Like that, different polygons will have different diagonals. So, line joining opposite vertices. Suppose ABCD is a polygon, AC and BD are called diagonals. And also we have seen about convex and concave polygon. And just now I was telling about that. And when you say polygon, it starts with side 3 onwards. Side 3 it is called as triangle. Side 4 it is known as quadrilateral. 5 pentagon. 6 hexagon. 7 heptagon. 8 octagon. 9 nonagon. 10 decagon, and so on. 12 dodecagon. 20 icosagon. All have word gun, not the shooting gun. It is gun, G-O-N-S. So these are the two type of polygons. And I also studied about regular and irregular polygons. Regular polygon is one in which all the sides and angles are equal. Irregular polygons, the sides need not be equal. Angles also need not be equal. Okay. And also we have seen angle sum property. In case of triangle, the sum of the angle is equal to 3 angles 180 degrees. In the case of quadrilateral, it is 360 degrees. Like that, angle sum property also you have seen in the previous class. Now shall we go to home assignment? Yeah, we'll see the home assignments. What is the sum of the measures of the angles of a convex quadrilateral? The first question. And answer is 360 degrees. So, solution for the first question. What is that? Sum of the angles of a convex quadrilateral. What do you mean quadrilateral? A polygon having 4 sides is equal to how much? A quadrilateral is made up of 2 triangles. When you draw a diagonal, it becomes 2 triangles. So, one triangle is 180, 2 triangle is 360 degrees. Or you can say 4 right angles. Will this property hold good if the quadrilateral is not convex? Yes. So, first question is 360 degrees. Second question is yes. It holds good for concave polygons also. The sum is always 360, but in case of concave polygons, they are not equal. The measurement may be different, and one of them will be reflex, one or two may be reflex angles. So, it holds good for concave polygons also. So, you can construct or draw a concave polygon and check for it. Using protractor, you measure the angles. Okay? Noted? Okay. Now, coming to second question. Find the angle measure of x in the following figures. What is sum of all the 4 angles? 360. Now, you are asked to find out x. So, you can write it as say A, B, C. You can do orally. Nothing wrong, you can do orally. But for your convenience, I am doing like this. So, in the quadrilateral PQRS, why it is called quadrilateral? Because it has got 4 sides. I write ABCD, sorry, not PQRS, it is ABCD. Come on, name the angles. First is A, second is B, third is C, fourth is D. What is sum of all the angles? 360 degrees. Is it not? Because it consists of 2 triangles. Now, what is A? 130. What is B? 120. What is C? Don't know, call it as X. What is D? 50 is equal to 360 degrees. Now, what is X is equal to? X means angle C is equal to 360 minus 130 plus 120 plus 50. Come on, how much it comes? This is 250 plus 50, 300. 360 minus 300. Is equal to 60 degrees is the answer. So, value of x is 60 degrees. And if you add all these angles, how much you must get? 360, correct? Understood? What you done is, add all the 3 angles, subtract from the 4th angle. Similarly here, coming to this figure, we call it as PQRS, some other name. Here only 2 angles are given. I have to find a 3rd angle. And they have marked it as 90 here outside. If this is 90, inside also becomes 90. Why? They are linear pair. Sum of the two adjacent angles is 180 degrees. So you have, if this is 90 given, marked, inner angle will be 90. So you can find out x. 90 plus 60, 150 plus 20, 220. So remaining angle is 140. So angle S becomes 140. Write down. Same way in the quadrilateral PQRS. You can give any name you want. If this is 1 mark question, write only answer enough. If it is 2 marks question only, you must angle P is 90 degrees, that you must mark here. Angle P means what? SPQ. So inner angle. SPQ is 90 degrees. Come on. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R plus angle S is equal to how much? 360 degrees. Now what do you have to find out? X, namely angle S, right? So P is 90, Q is 60, R is 70, S is X is equal to 360 degrees. So X is equal to 360 minus 90 plus 60, 150 plus 20, 220. So that is 140. So X becomes 140. So 360. So X becomes 140. That is the answer. How do you got 220? Adding these three. Okay, noted? Okay, we'll pass on next problem. So let us see the topics for today. One of the interesting things you must note, any quadrilateral, any polygon, if you take sum of the measure of the exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees, you can draw a quadrilateral and find the exterior angle and find the measure of all the exterior angle. Add it, it becomes 360. If you take pentagon, again 360, hexagon 360, all, but only exterior angle, not interior. You understood what is exterior angle? Suppose you have a quadrilateral like this. How to get exterior angle? Suppose you call it as say ABCD. If you extend one of the sides, that becomes exterior angle. Like this and like this, like this and like this. So these are called exterior angles. Suppose you name it as 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That is what is meant by exterior angle. It may be a quadrilateral, it may be pentagon, it may be hexagon, etc., etc. You draw a square of 5 cm each side, then extend the sides, measure all the angles. In the case of square, this should be 90 degrees, all of them. So 90 plus 90, 180, 270 and 360. So total will be 360 degrees. In case of square. In case of other angles, in other polygons, it will be different. So that is the meaning of the statement. So measure of, suppose you have, this is a figure of pentagon. Draw a pentagon of different sizes. Sides may be different. And if you take the measure of angle 1, angle 2, 3, 4, 5. Just it will be different. If you add it, that will become to 360 degrees. Just as you had for square or any quadrilateral, pentagon also holds good. Suppose you make hexagon also, sum of all the exterior angles will be equal to 360 degrees. That is the meaning. What is the sum of the measures of the exterior angles x, y, z, p, q, r? They are asking each. See here, you are given that all the three sides are equal. When all the three sides are equal, all the angles also must be equal. So they are asking, here it is a measure of each exterior angle. Each exterior angle. Here it is a regular hexagon. Hexagon means how many sides? Is equal to, and they have named it as angle x, angle y, angle z, and then PQR, angle P, angle Q, angle R. All of them are equal to each other, and this will be 360 by 6. Why 6? Because it is equilateral, or you can say regular hexagon. So 360 by 6 becomes 60 degrees. That is one method. Another method is finding interior angles by the formula 2n minus 4 by n. That also you can get, and that will be 120 in all the angles. A becomes 120. If A is 120, exterior angle becomes 180 minus 120, that is 60 degrees. That way also you can do. Noted? Okay. Same type. If x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to p is equal to q is equal to r, is they are asking. Yes, because it is a, come on, because it is a regular hexagon. Therefore, all the exterior angles will be equal. Therefore, angle x is equal to angle y is equal to angle z is equal to angle p is equal to angle q is equal to angle r are equal. Because also one reason you can give. Also, all the interior angles what are they called? Angle A will be equal. It will be equal to 120 degrees. Okay, that is the answer for that. They have marked it here. So that is what the tick mark reference, they are equal, that is the meaning. Okay, it's a very simple question, 1 mark question. Same figure once again, what is the measure of each exterior angle and interior angle? So exterior angle is just now you seen it. Each exterior angle is equal to how much? Anybody? 360 by 6, 60 degrees. That is the answer for the first question. And now they are asking each interior angle. What is sum of the interior and exterior angle? Sum of the interior and exterior will be 180 degrees because it is linear pair. That means what? Angle A plus angle Q is equal to 180. A plus R 180, A plus X 180, A plus Y 180, A plus Z 180, A plus P 180. That is a linear pair. So 180 minus 60, that is 120 degrees. Because it is a linear pair. What is a linear pair? The sum of the two angles is 180 degrees because they are adjacent angles. When a line segment stands on another line, the sum of the adjacent angles will be equal to 180 degrees. This you already studied in the previous class. Suppose a line segment CD stands on a straight line AB, and let us say A and P. This is called A, this is called P. Sum of this angle A plus angle P will be 180 degrees. Now you got the exterior angle as 60 degrees. So interior angle becomes 180 minus 60. That is the meaning. Here angle A plus angle P is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore angle A is equal to 180 minus P. P means how much? 60. 120 degrees. For the same reason, all the points, as it is regular hexagon, all the angles will be 120 degrees. Interior angle will be 120, exterior is 60. Noted? Okay, one more problem we will see. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle is a measure of 60 degrees. Name the polygon. So each exterior angle is equal to 60 degrees. Now they are asking number of sides. Number of sides. Well, the total angle, sum of the angles is 360 by 60. That is equal to 6 sides. How do you got 360? Because I can give you a reason. Sum of all the exterior angles of a regular polygon, of any polygon, is equal to 360 degrees. So you have 6 sides. They are asking name the polygon. So this is a, what is the name? Hexagon. If the side is 5, what do you call it? Pentagon. 7, heptagon. Come on, repeat. 8, polygon having 8 sides. What is it called? Octagon, etc., etc. So here the name is hexagon. Noted? Very nice. Next problem. Find a measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides. 9 sides, same type. So first you must know sum of all the exterior angles exterior angles of a polygon is equal to how much? 360 degrees. In this problem, how many sides are given? So here number of sides given here is 9. That is n. Therefore, each exterior angle is equal to followed 360 by, come on, n. That is 360 by 9. That is how much? 9 ones are 9 fours are 40 degrees. So each exterior angle becomes 40 degrees. Answer is 40 degrees. Suppose you have 10 sides, 360 by 10. Suppose you have 8 sides, 360 by 8. Like that, you have to do it. What is the name of that? Anybody? A polygon having 9 sides, what is it called? Correct? Nonagon. 10 sides, what do you call it? Decagon. 12 sides, dodecagon. Okay. Now we will see home assignments. First question, find the measure of each exterior angle of a polygon of 15 sides. Then how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165? Interior is given. You must find the number of sides. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Why? Minimum is tell. Second, what is the maximum exterior angle possible for regular polygon? That is another question. So come prepared. Now let us see what Bhagwan Baba says. Bhagwan Baba quote. Quote means what he says. When we turn our vision to the world, we develop attachment. Attachment for the body, attachment for the dresses, attachment for eatables, attachment for vehicles, and so on. If you turn to divinity, then attachment to the world reduces and you get detachment. Okay? So try to develop detachment that gives more peace, more love, more joy, and so on. That is what Bhagwan Baba says. So come prepared with the answers in the next class. Thank you.